Let the Bible Speak with your speaker, Brett Hickey.
The adversary throws many fiery darts at us to bring us woe by enticing us to rebel against God or reject His guidance. This morning we explore these truths in Luke chapter 15. Listen, young people, beware of wolves who whisper, "You need to be free." The partying lifestyle never lives up to its billing. The neon lights make great promises but never deliver. And after the pleasure they do provide is gone, there's a nasty aftertaste. It's all a mirage. The great tragedy is some never wake up. Some never come to their senses. Think about it. All sin is insanity. Sin makes no sense. The message was clear. And that is God's response to you today, if you'll just come home. Leave the misery behind and enjoy the abundant life Jesus came to bring you.